Hey everyone, and welcome back to your English fluency lesson. Now, we are still in unit number 1 for a short while, and this is lesson number 21. They are almost done. There are only 25 lessons in unit 1. Well, any of the units we're going to have, but we are on lesson 21, and this one is all about asking for clarification. Clarification, that means I need some more information. I don't quite understand exactly what you're asking me. So we're going to learn how to do this nice and fluently. So here we go. Sentence number 1 is, can you repeat that? Yeah, can you repeat that? So let's blend this all together. Can you, can you, can you, what? Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? So repeat after me. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Now let's make it a little bit more polite. We're going to add please. Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. See, the fact that we've done a lot of these blends already proves that as we use these simple blends, you're going to see them all the time. We just keep reusing them in different patterns. It's really nice. Now let's take a look at our second sentence, which is, I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. I missed that. I'm so sorry. I didn't catch that. Let's try and blend this together. I did. I did. I didn't. I didn't. You hear all those sounds? I didn't. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch. I didn't catch. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. So, repeat after me. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Now, just like before, we added in the please. Here, we're going to add in some other polite thing. We're going to add in I'm sorry first. So, I'm sorry I didn't catch that. Repeat after me. I'm sorry I didn't catch that. I'm sorry I didn't catch that. I'm sorry I didn't catch that. Now, we can take this sentence and the first sentence and put both of those together. So, repeat after me. I'm sorry I didn't catch that. Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry I didn't catch that. Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry I didn't catch that. Can you repeat that, please? Perfect. Perfect. We can put these two things together nice and smoothly. So let's move on to our third sentence, which is, could you say that again? Could you say that again? How do we blend this together? Well, we're going to blend could and you like we always do. Could you, j, j, could you say, could you say that? Could you say that? We're not making a hard T for that, right? We're not going that, right? We're going, can you repeat that? That? We're just coming gently up. We're not making that T. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Repeat after me. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Now remember, we're asking for clarification, so we should be polite. We should always be polite when we're asking for something. So we're going to add please again. Could you say that again, please? Repeat after me. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? I don't know why my nose is itchy. So let's put the previous sentence and this sentence together. I didn't catch that, remember? But we're gonna be really polite. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again, please? So let's put all of this together. Repeat after me. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say that again, please? Perfect. Now let's take a look at our fourth sentence. We're doing so good today. We're really cruising through these. Now let's take a look at our fourth sentence, which is, I'm sorry, what did you say? Now this one's a great one to blend. So let's put it together here. I'm sorry. We enunciate this just like we've been doing. I'm sorry. What did. We throw away that T from what and just use the D. What did you, what did you, just like could you, what did you say? I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? Now we want our tone to go up. It's a question, right? I'm sorry, what did you say? So repeat after me. I'm sorry, what did you say? Now you see, when I ask a question like this, I'm like, huh? What? I have that look of confusion on my face. It just puts everything together nicely, nice and clean. I'm confused. I'm asking for clarification. You know I don't understand because I look like I'm not understanding. So, I'm sorry. What did you say? I'm sorry. What did you say? Now we can add the other part on, right? Ow. That hurt a little bit. We can add our previous sentence on to this, right? I'm sorry. What did you say? Could you repeat that? No. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Yeah, let's put that together. I'm sorry. What did you say? Could you say that again? So repeat after me. I'm sorry. What did you say? Could you say that again? I understand now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What did you say? Could you say that again? Now I understand, right? I'm sorry. What did you say? Could you say that again, please? Nice and smooth, nice and polite. You're going to get the answer that you need. You're going to get people to be willing to help you if you ask politely like that. Now, our fifth sentence is something that people say very often, and it's really good for second language learners. And it is, can you speak more slowly, please? Right? Sometimes native speakers just speak too fast, right? And we need to get them to slow down a bit so we can understand better, okay? So let's blend this out so they can slow down for us. Can you, all right, that goes together. See, like I don't stop the sound. Can you speak? Can you speak more? Can you speak more? Can you speak more slowly? Ow, I did it again. Can you speak more slowly? I need to keep my hand over here. Can you speak more slowly? Right? We slow down the word slowly to add some emphasis to the fact that we need it slowly. Can you speak more slowly? Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly? Can you speak? See how fast that was? Can you speak more slowly, please? Yeah, that gets them to slow down and match your speed. So repeat after me. Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please? Got that confused look on her face, right? Can you speak more slowly, please? See, we have that confused look on her face, right? Making them understand we don't understand. Can you speak more slowly, please? I didn't catch that. Can you speak more slowly, please? I didn't catch that. Now, let's take a look at our sixth sentence, which is I didn't understand. Could you explain it again? Ooh, this one's a good one. It's just like before. I didn't understand, right? I missed that. So let's put this nice and together, nice and smooth. Perfect, right? I did, I didn't, I didn't, I didn't. See, we shrunk didn't from three sounds. I didn't to two sounds. I didn't, I didn't, I didn't. Okay? I didn't understand. We threw away that T so we can make the blend to understand much smoother. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Ooh, nice, right? I didn't understand. Could you? Could you explain? Could you explain it again? I didn't understand. Could you explain it again? Repeat after me. I didn't understand. Could you explain it again? I'm sorry. I didn't understand. Could you explain it again? Beautiful, right? I'm sorry. I didn't understand. Could you explain it again? And they're obviously going to explain it because you asked so nicely, right? You asked so fluently, so smoothly. They can't help but answer you. They can't help but help you. Yeah. I hope this lesson helped you. And I hope that it makes it easier for you to feel confident to ask for clarification because that's okay. That is absolutely fine. Do not ever feel afraid to ask for clarification, to ask for help, to ask someone to repeat something, especially if they're speaking too fast. Sometimes they don't even realize they're communicating poorly with you, like you're not understanding them. It's very easy for a native speaker to slow down or repeat, and then they'll know, "Oh, you're having trouble. I will match your speed." Most people are very polite that way. So don't be afraid. Fix the situation, okay? Now, our next lesson, lesson number 22, will be about giving compliments. Ooh, nice job, okay? So I'm looking forward to this one. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.